Good morning, my dear friends. Today our class is about how to get rid of your enemies, enmity, and how to get success on your enemies. Om Namo Sri Dattatreya Namaha. Om Namo Sri Venkateshaya Namaha. My dear friends, enemies are of three kinds. Number 1, enemies in relatives circle. Number 2, enemies in friend circle. Number 3, outside circle enemies or others may be around your home, that is residence or office or field or at your workplace or maybe at far off place. How enmity happens? When your income suddenly grows or social value position rises, then others, some people get jealousy on you and your family for no reasons. Jealousy includes fear, anger, deep insecurity, constant worries, anxiety, and high anger, high emotion, etc. When you trouble others unnecessarily, this comes under second point. When you trouble others unnecessarily or hurting, blaming, cheating, doing injustice, harassing, or cause troubles by way of doing fraudulent activities, wrong activities, criminal activities, harmful activities, etc. Your bad qualities and wrong habits, wrong activities bring various kinds of disputes, cases, hurdles, losses, etc. How to cut off enmity? First, we should know when a particular enemy is known to you or when a list of enemies is exposed by some means and ways on the same day or next day, you must sit in deep meditation and pray to God to change the mindset of your enemies or to bring them on friendly path, true path, right way. Here in meditation you have to do puja, that is prayer, mental prayer in meditation with a basket of flowers. While doing mental prayer, pick up flower every time and speak this mantra. Om Namo Narayanaya Namaha. Om Namo Sri Venkateshaya. Om Namo Sri Venkateshaya Namaha. Om Namo Guruve Namaha. Om Namo Sri Dattatreya Namaha. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Oh God, change the mindset of my enemies and bring them on true path. Likewise, you finish your mental prayer in meditation, deep meditation. Here, your body is absent, mind works. That is, mind will do prayer, mental prayer, which is known as mental prayer, to change your enemies in a short time. If you perform this mental prayer for 1 to 3 times, for 45 minutes to 1 hour, or for a few days, your enemies will surely suffer or fall in troubles, hurdles, and change their minds, or they come on right path, compromise. Some people fall at your feet or say sorry, etc. Many miracles happen. Example, such wonders, miracles, many in the life of Sri Swami Vivekananda, saint, and Sri Buddha, saint, Sri Hathiram Babaji, and Sri E.V.R. Nayak Yogi, and Sri Sevalal Maharaj, and Sri Valmiki Yogi, etc. Many yogis and saints, great persons in the world. Now, you must know that meditation has such a great power which can achieve anything in the world. Here, mental prayer can change your enemies surely, can punish your enemies surely, but the results % depends on your honesty. Meditation will change you and clears your defects, faults, etc. all. Mental prayer in meditation can punish or change your enemies and gives good fit lesson to them. My advice to the global people is meditation is the most powerful tool is in your hands to achieve anything in the world. You always try to do good deeds, godly works, and always help, serve, save the soft, common, ordinary, good people, best humans, animals, and birds. Satisfy with the available things. Maybe your partner, wife, or husband, or available house, food, assets, etc. Whatever is gained in true way, that is through job sources, business, or any post or work source. Remember that wrong way earnings is always harmful. Jealousy, high anger, high emotion, pride, partiality, etc. all your enemies. Most danger to you. Cut off first, clear, by doing meditation. Peaceful solution in a cool and better way is always safe and best. Some cruel people, criminals, ghosts, devils, demons like people cases will also be solved by the governments and courts. Gods will also give chance in the first and second stage even to criminals. But they have to know their faults and come on true path for peaceful life in the balanced period, balanced time. My dear friends, to cut off your enmity, meditation is a very, very powerful instrument, tool, and it can punish or change the mindset of your enemies. Nothing is superior than meditation. In a short time, your enemies will get affected by depression, diseases, heart disease, various kinds of cases, problems, losses, suffer by various kinds of complex cases, problems, image damage, etc. Many happen. And finally, they get good way and their mindset will change and come on true way to render godly services with you. This is all about how to cut off your enmity and how to get success on your enemies. Here, my dear friends, you must know the difference between yoga, meditation, mental prayer. Benefit here: yoga makes your body fit, meditation makes your mind peace, and it can also make you a wonderful person, great person. And mental prayer in meditation can change the mindset of your enemy and bring your enemies on right way, true path. This is about yoga, meditation, and mental prayer. These all together called as yoga. Nothing is more than yoga, my dear friends. Thank you.